You can become rich, you can become wealthy. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 keys to true and lasting wealth. Number 1 key is invest. You need to invest, and with investment, you need to start with yourself, because at the end of the day, what you sell, what you get rich of is yourself, your skills, your abilities. So you need to invest in yourself and make yourself sellable. Make yourself valuable so that you can be sought after by people. Invest in courses, invest in developing both soft and hard skills. Number 2 key is that you must build. With investment, you don't get rich overnight. Investment is not a get rich quickly scheme. And so if you are investing, you must learn to also build. And when you build, you need patience. You need patience so that you do not get tempted to flaunt your wealth, show your class. Many people, when they get the slightest little income, they spend it on showing class, getting the latest phone, the latest gadgets, the latest games, the latest fashion. Resist that temptation. Build patiently, and you will see your wealth boom over time. 3 tip is that you must know that true wealth comes from God. True wealth comes from God. And so when you invest, also invest your time and energy in building a relationship with God. Genuinely seek after Him. The Bible says that He is the one that gives us power to make wealth. And with God, you have wealth that really, really lasts. Resist the temptation to make wealth illegitimately. You see, people that we celebrate today who are really wealthy got their wealth over time and not suddenly. So you must learn to be patient and build your wealth gradually. I am sure that you have really learned from today's video, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!